Our Columbus, Ohio service center excels in packing and seals for steam turbines of any diameter, offering comprehensive seal field services and installation pre-measurements. With a wide range of packing capabilities and $1 million in stock materials, we provide unlimited seal and spill strip configurations, including all tooth designs, hardware, and spring items. Our packing capabilities cover all seal design configurations, featuring upgraded seal designs and enhanced nitronic post-packing. Be sure to visit our website for more information at www.powerservicesgroup.com. Welcome to the St. Louis Service Center, where precision meets excellence. Our St. Louis Service Center is equipped with a 50-ton crane. We offer submerged arc welding, 7 diaphragm repair booths, and expert surface and Blanchard grinding, ensuring we meet all your service needs with precision and efficiency. Our expert team specializes in rotor cleaning and inspection, rotor reblading, stationary partition repairs, rotor weld restoration, diaphragm and blade ring cleaning and inspection. We are committed to delivering top-notch service and unparalleled expertise to ensure your steam turbine performs at its best. Be sure to visit our website for more information at www.powerservicesgroup.com. Discover the exceptional capabilities of our Chicago, Illinois Service Center, where we specialize in steam turbine inspection and repair, valve seat replacement, casing weld repairs, rotor reblading, and more. With a 20-ton crane capacity and 25,000 square feet under hook, our advanced machining services include low-speed balancing up to 100 tons, submerged arc welding, diaphragm repair, multiple valve stations, grit blasting, degaussing, and stress relieving. Trust us to deliver precision and excellence for all your service needs. Be sure to visit our website for more information at www.powerservicesgroup.com. Welcome to the Atlanta Service Center, where advanced capability meets trusted expertise. From parts manufacturing and precision fabrication to valve overhauls and repairs, our team delivers quality with every job. We specialize in hard-faced overlays, using materials like Stellite and Ultimate to extend equipment life. With 6 CNC lathes, 4 4-axis CNC mills, and a full suite of machining capabilities, we're built to handle complexity and scale. Our facility boasts a 12-ton crane capacity, 26,000 square feet under hook, and the muscle to move big projects forward. At the Atlanta Service Center, we turn challenges into solutions with precision, performance, and pride. Be sure to visit our website for more information at www.powerservicesgroup.com. Welcome to Power Services Group Chicago Parts Manufacturing Center. This 200,000 square foot facility supports critical steam turbine repair and manufacturing with speed, precision, and scale. From valve overhaul and seat replacement to rotary blading, diaphragm repair, and casing weld restoration, every process is executed by skilled technicians and supported by modern machining systems. We're equipped with over 120 CNC machines, submerged arc welding, and advanced grinding, handling diameters up to 120 inches and lengths up to 150 inches. Our crane systems and dedicated valve and diaphragm stations allow for efficient movement and parallel workflows, optimizing turnaround times. With over $9 million in raw material and finished goods inventory, we're ready to meet demanding schedules across a wide range of turbine components. At Power Services Group, our focus is performance, reliability, and results. Be sure to visit our website for more information at www.powerservicesgroup.com.